Feed your chickens this way and your profits will multiply several times. After a girl got married, her husband went out to work. To take care of the elderly and children, she raised chickens at home by herself. She never fed the chickens with feed alone. Instead, she added these formulas to the feed, which made the profits of her chicken farm multiply several times. Pay attention. Here comes the key point. If the chickens don't eat the feed, add ginger and Chinese chives. If the chickens catch a cold, add ginger and brown sugar. If the chickens have diarrhea, add ginger and garlic. If the chickens cough, add ginger and salt. If the chickens grow slowly, use Quick Growth 666. If the chickens don't lay eggs, use More Egg. If you can't remember, please like and collect. More Egg and Quick Growth 666. Welcome Global Agency Cooperation.